White peaches. I think it's so slippery too. Knock my plant down. I'm watching this bee right now. Poor guy. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the vlog. I'm sorry about the light behind me. Let's see if I can. I don't know. So I have a basket of peaches here. They are white peaches. So if you don't know, there's many different varieties. And there's white peaches, there's yellow peaches, there's like different peaches that get ripe at certain times of the year. Well, I shouldn't say that. Like, they have early peaches, they have late peaches, you know, and you want different varieties of peaches so you always have a crop coming in. Anyway, these are white peaches. They are one of our favorites, and I need to wash them. My husband had picked this basket Saturday maybe, so it's been sitting here in there. I was kind of wanting them to get a little more soft so I could peel the peelings off, but they're not getting too soft. And it is dwindling down because everybody has been eating these peaches. And so I'm like, I really wanted some to can. I plan on canning some yellow peaches. I'm gonna also, you know, and this. I also want to make some jelly out of the white peaches. So I am going to peel them, and I am going to probably can a couple, and I'm going to make jelly with some. So I'll probably do at least a couple jars to can, and then make some jelly with the white peaches. And then I'm going to have him, because right now they're gonna pick tonight or in the morning. I think they're picking in the morning. I don't know. They're picking some more peaches. They're gonna be yellow peaches, so I'm gonna get another basket of yellow peaches and hopefully can those. I'm not too worried about making jelly out of them because I already have jelly. I have nectarine jelly, I've got plum jelly, I got yellow and red plum jelly. There's, Uncle Brian knows the names of the plums. I'm just, you know. And then we also have another variety of plum that is really, really good. So I want to make some jelly out of those as well. So, and I have a bunch of orders that I have to get embroidered out because people need them by the 2nd, which is Saturday, and it's Monday. And so there's one in particular, I told her order's gonna ship tomorrow. You know, do you want to do, because I'm like, with the mail, you know, you can't trust it. So I'm like trying to get her to upgrade to priority mail, which if she does upgrade to priority mail, I told her to do it in the beginning. I told her upgrade to priority mail and she didn't do it. So, you know, if it doesn't show up in time, it's not my fault. It's not my fault. But if she upgrades to priority mail, UPS 3-day is just like $2 higher, so I might cover that $2 just to have peace of mind that it's not going through the mail and it'll be delivered. Anyway, so I kind of wanted to get downstairs to work on that, but I'm like, you know, I could do it later. I can do it this evening. Right now I want to can some peaches and make some jelly, so I'm gonna do what I want to do. But I just made some tater tots for lunch for the girls, and for dinner tonight I was supposed to have a roast, you guys, and silly me didn't take it out of the freezer, so it's frozen and it's got the, you know, the absorber stuck on the bottom of it. So I know I can, you know, cook a frozen roast in a crock pot, but I'm like, I just pulled it out, put it in the fridge. We'll have that tomorrow night. Then I was like, well, I can make bean soup, but I should have started it. It's 2:30, so I should have started it already. So now I'm like, I might be a fend for yourself kind of night, or I might just go get a $5 pizza. One of those two. So I think I'm just going to peel them. And because I was going to peel and save the pit and the peeling and boil them and make a jelly from them. Because I've never done it that way. But I don't feel like washing all these peaches, so I'm just going to peel them and then put some in there for jelly and put some to can. As I'm peeling this peach, I know you can like blanch them. You can stick them in hot boiling water and then in ice water, and the peelings will just peel off. But I just don't feel like going through all that, so I'm just trying to peel them the best I can, as close to the peeling as I can. If they were ripe, you could just peel the peelings right off, like with your knife. Just like take it, peel it. It gets so slippery too. Alright, first I'm going to figure out about how much jelly I'm going to do. I'm thinking, I'm just gonna look. I'm just gonna see. I'm just gonna continue to just peel away here until I look like I might have enough for my jelly. I'm thinking 3 cups. Then I'm almost thinking, wonder if I should just do the full 8 cups of jelly, like 8 cups of peaches. It's all, no. And I'm going to get close to the pit. Normally I would throw most of that away. But because these are not split seeds, so if you don't know, some peaches are split seeds. Their seeds are split in the middle. And so when you get split seeds, you don't want the pits or anything near the pits in it. So That was a gully washer, you guys. So we're out here to do our chores. But look, it knocked my plant down. Broke it. What? You had a river?
Right here, look. Look. Oh no! This plant over here died. He fell at.
Did he? I'm watching this bee right now. Poor guy. Oh, did you get wet? Did you fall over with the plant? Poor bumblebee.
I'm holding that nest over there and call it sting dog, right?
Show them how to do it, mamas. So I'm going to see if I can get some of these sunflowers off. It's just so sad because this was one of the healthier ones, obviously. Huge. The stalk is just huge. Hello. What? Oh, mercy. Alright, so this is the best I can do. Just got them in water. Put them in water. I put sunflower.
This for hey tomorrow. Bye guys. Look what I caught. Look what I caught.
What did you catch?
Look.
How'd you catch that? Let me see this little thing. What's it doing, booger? Huh? What's it doing, you little booger?
I just grabbed her. She was just sitting there and I just grabbed her. Look at that spider. He's flying. I just want to go. Hey! There you go. I don't like how they get her food. That's in there. It's okay. Here you go, Mama.
That was the one that was born in the house.
For real?
Yep. This was the one that had the bloody head. Oh, don't pick my finger. And this one was the firstborn. This one was the secondborn. And that one was the one born in the house.
Looks. Why do we all love the twins? That have all the. Here you go, Mama.
I gotta go. My canning.